calculating the area of a triangle. So we know that our area is calculated by base times height divided by 2. So we've got a grid with a triangle on it. We need to figure out what the base and the height are. They're not labeled, but I can see that my base is this side here, and it has a length of 3 units. And that's my base. So I'm going to say that it's 3 units. Now my height has to be perpendicular to that. So I'm going to draw an imaginary line right here that goes from the base perpendicular all the way to the top of the triangle. And you'll notice that that's 1, 2, that is also 3 units. So my height is 3 units, as is my base. So now that I know those two numbers, I can plug them into my formula, base times height divided by 2. So base was 3 units times height, which is also 3 units, and then divide by 2. So the multiplication comes first because we're working left to right. 3 times 3 becomes 9 units squared, and then we divide that by 2. And so then we've got 4.5 units squared. So that is the answer for this. Now if you want to try by counting squares, I've got one whole one, and then I've got 1, 2, 3 that are kind of almost full, which would put me at 4. And then a couple of tiny little bits up here that look like they could make up a half triangle. Maybe with the others combined, it would be about that. So you're counting 4 plus squares, I would say, fairly confidently in this situation. Again, not real easy to do that. If you had this, you could cut out the triangle and cut out the little pieces outside the triangle to try and form full units, but yeah. So that is the show you know.